back to my channel. So if you're a new subscriber, well, hopefully you'll be a new subscriber, but if you're a new follower and you're here for the first time, my name is Tati Alejandra, Tatiana, whatever works for you. This look is inspired by summer, and technically I'm not filming this on the first day of summer, but it's going up on the first day of summer, so yay summer. If you live in New York, you definitely are hype about summer finally being here, because we've had the worst bipolar weather in New York. Like, it's freezing in June sometimes. So hopefully this look makes summer come quick and like for real. So if you guys want to see how I did this, please keep watching. So we're gonna go straight into the eyes. I'm gonna be using my 35B palette in this orangey color. I'm putting that straight to my crease, and I just found out that the 35B palette is discontinued. I thought it was just like out of stock or something, but no, Morphe completely discontinued it, and it's so sad because this is one of my favorite palettes. I think I use this palette in every video that I've done so far. Like, I really love this palette. I'm always recommending it to people, but now I can't because it's discontinued. It's not there. So I really hope Morphe is like doing something that's like this one but better. Hopefully, fingers crossed. From that same palette, I'm going to be taking the yellow and I'm applying that to, well, I'm applying that over my crease color, so it's going to be my transition color. And you know me, we're going to make a gradient out of that, so just blend, blend, blend until it's seamless and there's no harsh lines. Once both of these colors are applied, I'm kind of taking both of those two brushes and not really applying any more product on it. I'm just adding whatever's on those brushes on top of what's there, because I just want to go back and forth and make sure it doesn't blend too much, but it blends enough and there's enough pigment still. Like, you can see when I added the yellow, the orange kind of got diluted and doesn't look as orange anymore, so I'm just putting more orange onto there, but then also adding yellow so that, you know, we're blending. Always think about blending it, but always also want to make sure that there's enough pigment and you can tell both colors are there. So now I'm going to cut my crease with the white concealer from LA Girl, and I don't know if you guys heard it last time, but I'm going to do the trick that I did. So I'm putting it on the bottom of my lid, closer to my lash line, and then once I feel like there's enough there, I'm going to look up so that it carves out what I should be carving out with the rest of the concealer. So yeah, I'm gonna cut my crease up to like 3/4 of my lid, and then the rest will be for the smoky eye. So I'm not gonna do the whole lid cut, just 3/4. Now that my lids are all carved out, I'm going back into the 35B palette, and I'm going to be taking this very yellow gold color and I'm putting that right on top. Now for the quarter left of my lid, I'm just going to take that same orange I was using before, and I'm smoking out those edges, and I'm making sure that the cut crease as well as the smoke out, they blend into each other so there's no harsh lines. You guys know the drill. Blend, blend, blend. To get started on my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand and then just take my fingers and put it all over my face and then just blend that out with a beauty sponge. So at some point you're going to see me say, I always do this. And it's because I put it on my forehead and it always runs down to my eyebrows. And I continue to do this and I continue to mess up my eyebrows. God knows why. I'm never going to learn. To conceal, we're going in with the usual, my Shape Tape, best concealer ever. And this is going, of course, in the usual, under my eyes and in my T-zone area. To warm up my face, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Almond, and I'm putting that in the hollows of my cheekbones, all around my forehead, on my jawline, and on my nose to contour. I'm taking a big blending face brush just to blend all of that out, and I know it looks a little crazy, but it's okay. Because I'm going to go in with my RCMA no color powder, and I'm gonna bake under my eyes, but then I'm just going to take some on a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to put that all over my face, so like I set my whole face, and it's going to dilute the bronzed color that I look like, and it looks crazy, I know, but you'll see. It's going to all come together, and it's going to look fine. So since this is a summer look and I really want it to be bright and very vibrant, I'm going to be taking the brightest highlight I have, and that is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and I have the color Gold Digger. This is the brightest highlight I own, and it's one of my favorites. It's so like bright, so I take whatever on the cap of the little packaging, and I only go into that because if I were to pick up any more, I would look insane, like crazy insane, because you're gonna see once I put it on, it highlights really quickly. Like you don't need a lot to like look very bright. So yeah, I thought this would be perfect because I want it to be bright. And if I say bright one more time, I think you guys will understand how bright it actually is. To finish up the eyes, I'm going to be taking the yellow that was in my transition, and I'm going to be putting that under my eyes. And then I'm going to take the orange, and I'm putting that also under my eyes, but it's going to be a lot closer to my lash line. For mascara, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and I'm applying that to both the bottom and top lashes. Oh, and of course, I added my falsies off of camera, but I'm using the Ardell Studio Effects Demi Wispies. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to be taking my current favorite combo, and that's the NYX Lip Liner in the color Natural, and I top that off with the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid in the color Nude Thrill. Alright guys, so that's how I got this look. Don't forget to comment down below, thumbs up, and subscribe, and also push the little bell. I don't know which side it's on, but push the bell so it'll let you know when I upload, even though I will always upload Thursdays at 8 p.m. And if you follow me on social media, you should follow me on social media. All my info is in the detail box below. But if you follow me on social media, I probably would let you guys know if I decide to change the day or the time, but whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.